Everyone, please Google it. Azure portal. If you have your own Azure, that sounds good. If you don't have Azure, don't worry. Just click on this first link, Azure portal. Okay. Here, you want, if you have account, okay, use. Otherwise, just use sign in. Okay, Azure portal exactly. Now, if you have account, okay. If you don't have account, please click on create one. Create one. It is only one time active. And one more thing, almost Azure and AWS 80% same. Don't worry about it. Okay. I recommend use your email ID, your Gmail ID also fine. No issue. And one more thing, this is working only for next 10 days. 14 days only, it is free. After 14 days, I think. Okay, next. Sorry. Hey, you have. You do one thing. I will give my own email ID. Just a minute. Only 1 minute. My own email ID. 1 minute. You do one thing. March 30, MAR 30. MAR 30. Others don't use this one. Just now is shared. Only Raj is use this March 30 at the rate of apache-spark.in. This is my temporary email ID just now created. Apache Spark. If you have your own, okay. Just a minute, only 1 minute. Oh, just a minute. Only 1 minute. Okay, ignore. And the password, have you created the password? No, enter. Give something password like 1 minute. Give any password, your wish. I'm not saying particularly. Hey, I will give you otherwise. Wait, I will give you otherwise. Okay. Okay. Give something password like this. Next. I think I will get the email ID. Just a minute. I will activate. I will get one email ID. I want to enter that email ID. 1 minute. One minute. Just a minute. Just a minute. I want to log in and email ID. 1 minute. Email. Email account. Email account. Okay. What is today email ID? March. One minute. Sorry, 1 minute. I want to create. I am unable to access.
Let's try with my email ID. You know,
I do have email ID.
Okay, 1 minute. Only 1 minute. Gmail ID also fine. I'm not saying this one. If you don't mind, one more time refresh. Wait, it is recent. Try again.
When I created, you can use mine.
Okay, Sanish, if you not received, then I will guide you. Okay. Don't go to next year. Sorry. Don't go to next year. I think this one. Okay, wait. Am I received any email ID right now? Email ID. Yes, got it. After 5 minutes, 9134. 9134. Enter. Next. That's it. Email verification completed. Okay, it is just a captcha. Enter in it. That the same case sensitivity. Okay, next. Okay, that's it. This is free account temporarily. Don't worry, without your permission, they are not charging 1 rupee also. Okay, and also you will get almost 30,000 approximately. I don't know how much amount. You will get a lot of money also. Not physical money, billing money. Almost like a reward point. That's it. Please note, tomorrow if you get an opportunity, this is do it maybe later. Tomorrow if you get any opportunity, this is the latest screen it is, not old one. Okay. Yeah, click on create resource. I think the different members you will get different options. Okay, either if you are going to dashboard, left hand side, click here dashboard. You will get like this. Okay, if you want any resources, create resources you are using most frequently. Otherwise, all resources. If you are using this one, what happened? What are the resources available? You will get like this. Okay, ignore everything. Don't think too much. Okay, now I will guide you. 1 minute. All services. Sorry. What happened? Now you will get like this. I recommend please search here. What is that? HD inside now. Please search here. HD HD. One minute. HD inside. What is this meaning? In AWS, how you are using EMR? 100% same. HD insights. Okay, you are using. And if you want to use, please note there are 3 types of packages available. What is that? Free trial. If you are using this, almost in AWS, you will get many services 1 year free. Same way, you will get $200. $200 for free. You can utilize these $200 within these 12 months. Okay, I think I am explaining right now this one only. In case if you are a student, I think if you have any your college email ID, including your college name and a photo within your website, your college website, at the time you will get for free. No need to pay ₹1 also. Everything free. But if you are doing free trial, as of now, I recommend use this one. I think you will get $200. Okay. Okay, what is this? Just a minute. In your account, your credit card verification purpose you are using, First of all, just now you created account. That's why please note, starting time you are from India, you will get 13,000 rupees for first 30 days. Okay, so you how to utilize this 30,000 rupees I will tell you later. Where are you? I think you are from India. Okay, so what's your good name? Raj. Okay, Raj. Okay. Yes, Rajshekhar. What is your email ID and what is your phone number? Please enter. Not sure.
Yes, correct.
Here. What is March 30? I think.
Yeah, March 30. Purchasespark.in.
Okay, your organization. You are working. Give any name, for example. I thought PAN card, that is no need. In AWS also you will get same way. Okay. Next, what is this? In AWS also there is a phone verification. You got it? Same way this is also. I think you will get a message.
1 second, I kept mobile. 1 second.
Please bring your mobile and enter that OTP right now. Everyone must do it hands on right now. If you're stuck anywhere, tell me, I will help you.
Venu, just one doubt. If you want to create ID, you can give the Gmail ID also. Or,
any email ID. Any email ID. That may be email ID. Unfortunately, he already registered long back, I think. Okay. Any email ID is working. That's not a problem. Okay. Next, very
1 second.
So, sure, same number.
Yes, correct. 505-975.
Okay. And in AWS also you have same thing. Phone verification is mandatory. Similarly, credit card verification. If possible, please bring. Okay. This is also, please note, without your permission, they are not. They don't rupee also. Okay, don't worry about it. Next, in AWS, how you are using credit card? Same way. This is also. Don't get that. Wait. Enter your all these credit card details. Next, where are you? I think you are from. Choose your city. Bangalore, no?
From Bangalore, sir. Bangalore.
Bangalore means Karnataka. Okay, Andhra Pradesh. Enter your native
PIN code.
Enter PIN code. City. That's enough. Okay, India region. It is optional. Optional. Ignore. It is address line. Give anything. 2-42. Enough. And you do one thing. Please enter your credit card details. Please note this is also just a verification purpose. Are you human or not? That's why verification purpose. Please enter 1 minute. I'm freezing your screen. After completed, please click on next. Okay. At that time only I will make you as a presenter. Rajshekar, please enter your credit card details. Debit card also fine, but debit card most of the cases you will get. It will take a lot of time to verify your account. So always use credit card. And don't worry, it's without your permission they are not deducting 1 rupee also. Same like AWS. If you follow my instructions, that easy. If you are not following my instructions, you get huge amount of bill and very headache. Okay, I think recently somebody in our group also mistakenly he did something wrong and he got a bill in AWS. Okay, so that's why. Okay, just create and follow my instructions. At the time there is no any problem. Just a minute, I will take water. Within this time, please verify. I will come back within 2 minutes. Okay. Raj, is it completed? Yes, sir. Okay, Raj, next share your screen. Make presenter. After this is only verification purpose. Are you human or not? Okay, verification purpose, it will charge like this. Next, it is nothing but agreement. What is that agreement? You just click on this agreement. That's it. And sign up. Now successfully 100% AWS account created. Okay, now you can access EMR also. EMR means HB sites. In AWS, it is called, please note, I will give you few important notes. One minute. I'm giving, you have any notepad plus. Okay. Please note, in AWS, it is called EMR. EMR means Elastic Map Reduce. Okay. In AWS, it is called HB inside. AWS EMR. Azure HD inside. And IBM Big inside. Google Cloud Google Cloud also same, to be frankly. Next weekend, next weekend or later, I will take a special section about this Azure. Sorry, Azure, not Google Cloud. That concept I will in future. Google Cloud also 90% same, to be frankly. Okay. Now you want to create one cluster. As I said earlier 10 minutes back. Otherwise, one more time, go to. If you don't know where you are, if you don't know, please check here. If you want many services available. For example, click here, all services. You will get many other options like databases, etc., etc. Okay. For example, here, search here. Now you are looking for HB Insight. Okay, click here. Now you want to create one cluster. Give any name. Okay, unfortunately there is no any cluster. Okay. There. Okay. Now click on the plus. The starting position you have plus. Click on this plus. Okay. Please note you are using it is free time. And half an hour back you got a message 13,000 rupees bill. What is this? This is very important and note it. 13,000 rupees 300 free. Okay, what is this? After 5 minutes of value. Next, here resources. Resources, give anything. For example, what is this? This is almost like a security group. Okay, this is cluster name. Give any name, that's not a problem. Now, create a new resource group. It is almost like a security group. Okay, what is this? Raj Spark. Okay, like that. Give any name. That's not a problem. Okay. Give any name. Now you are creating one cluster. One cluster. Give any name. For example, Spark POC. Spark POC, like that. Give any name. That's not a problem. Okay. Now I think it's already okay. Spark valid cluster name. Okay. Now where are you from? In AWS also you have same region. I think you are from Central India, na? Somewhere Asia Pacific. Central India.
Yeah.
Of course, region in AWS right hand side top you are mentioning, but here you are mentioning here. That's it. And cluster type. This is important. What is a cluster? You are looking for Hadoop. You are looking for Spark, Kafka, HBase, Storm. What do you want exactly? Now I am looking for Spark. So Spark. Okay, what the version you are looking for? As of now, Spark 2.4 also you have. So I recommend use Spark 2.4, latest version. And this is important. In AWS, you have PEM file, PEM or PPK file. Here also you can create PEM or PPK. That's not a matter. But instead of that, I recommend use any other password. For example, AZ username. What is this? Azure username. If you want to log in, instead of PM or PPK, you are using credentials. AZ username. Here, AZ password. I'm not sure. Is it allowed or not? No. 1 minute. AZ. 1 minute. AZ password dot 1. That sounds good. Okay, 1 minute. Okay. Agent password and SSH username. Here, give any username. That's not an issue. Okay, use same password here also. Here, give anything. For example, SSH user I am giving. If you don't want, let example, you are using EMR, you are using Hadoop at the rate of something, something, you know. Same, this is also. If you want, give Hadoop, no issue. Hadoop, no issue. Okay, this is a reserved name. That's not recommendable. Okay, so use SSH. Just a minute. Agent. Hey, what happened? Okay. Okay, here give any name, but don't use Hadoop, Spark, this type of password. Here, this is important. Public key means, I think you have PPA, PM, PPK file, you know. Same way. If you want to give something PM, PPK file, use that one. I don't recommend it. Why? This is simple. If you want, you can download PPK file, etc., etc. But I recommend password. Okay. What is password? I recommend the same password here. Same password. What is the password you are using? First name and username. Both are same. Okay. Next storage. Use storage. Hey, what is this? Here 5 minutes back you already created, I think. Spark POC storage. 1. Okay. Give any name, that's not an issue. It's nothing but almost like a security group. Okay, here give something name. Means what happened internally it is using Hive. That's why. Data lake, general access, that is everything ignore. Everything no need. Database name, Hive database username, UG, etc. etc. UG, etc. etc. Nothing. No need anything. Ignore by default. Same. No need to change. Security group. Okay. Enable. Okay. TLS version. That is everything. No need. If anything required, please come back and modify.
Excuse me, sir. What about the storage account name?
Give any name.
Okay.
1 minute. If you want, 1 minute, I will guide you. I think this is starting time. You already created this SSH username, etc. Next, storage. Here, give any name. Okay. Any name is fine. Azure storage. It is nothing but almost like a S3. Okay. Either create or new. Create new and give any name. That's not a problem. This is nothing but S3 bucket.
Sure.
Okay. S3 bucket. And remaining everything, no need. Usually by default, ignore. Okay. And this is nothing but security thing by default, ignore. There is also no need. Okay. Next. You come back and modify this. This is important. How many data nodes and how many worker nodes required? This is important. Now, head node. Head node is nothing but a master node. How many nodes you are looking for? For example, please note here, if you are choosing this one, 8 core, 16 GB RAM, this is called master node. This is called slave nodes. If you are using master node, how much? 16 GB RAM. How much you want to pay? Almost 37 rupees. So, 2 instances, 2 master node you are using. So you will get bill this much per hour. 75 and this is 72. Totally, you will get 150 rupees per bill. Per hour, you will get approximately 150 rupees bill. Okay, not per hour. At the time, here, how much bill you got it? Sorry, how much money you got it? 13,000 rupees bill. Exactly, please note how it is charging. I will guide you. Okay, here you got it 13,000 rupees. 13,300 rupees bill. You got it. Now for hour, how much charging? 150 rupees bill per hour. In this way, how many hours you can access? Approximately 20 na? 20 na 200 hours, I think. I'm not sure exactly. Okay. So what is this meaning? What is this meaning? You can utilize approximately 200 hours. If you are not terminated, after 200 hours, you will get bill. So how many hours you are using, that amount of money it is charging. Here, please note, that's why please to minimize this cost, minimum 2 nodes, 2 master nodes required. Here, slave node, your choice. If you want to use standalone cluster, use. Okay, just a minute. Just a minute. Go on, add. Okay. Now do it quickly if possible. Now Azure subscription. Are you using any paid version? Okay.
I thought I created it already. I added, oh yeah.
You have group and give something name. For example, SAMMY, Sami Spark 2020 POC. Okay, give up to 59 letters.
Okay.
No issue. I think choose any region. I think if you are from East, yes,
Yeah,
use that one.
East is good, yes.
Okay, select cluster type. What is that? I think you are using Spark. Next, choose any version, it's fine, but I recommend the 2.4. Okay, give any name, admin. Okay, now password, 1 minute. AZ. 1 minute. AZ. Okay, and SSH user and do it same thing. Here, create something. No need create. Already you created 5 minutes back, I think. Remaining everything same. No need to change one line also. This is everything same. Ignore.
Yeah, I think that's why I made a mistake.
YouTube is same. D12. D13. Okay, please decrease this. That's enough. 1 node enough.
Okay.
The time $1.5 you will get bill, but that's not a problem. Learning purpose.
Okay.
That's enough. And review and create. Validation success. Now create. Now, as for my knowledge, 99% is working in your system right now. Why? Just now you created without any fail, that username also available. Okay. So this is, it will take maximum, please check, earlier it is failed, it will take maximum 20 minutes. Within this 20 minutes, I will prepare a Spark code.
Okay.
Okay. Minimum 10 minutes, maximum 20 minutes.
Hold on, let me move it for you. Yeah.
Okay. Now use EMR First of all, I don't prefer black color. Just a minute, I will change.
Yeah, you can change it.
It's fine. Now, is this code working? This Oracle thing, etc., etc. Is it working?
I think so. Yeah.
Otherwise, 1 minute. I will share my own Oracle.
Okay.
Use that Oracle credentials. Then 100% is working.
So just create another one.
This is
Yeah, just
1
create
minute.
another
Just now, okay. Just now I shared in chat box.
Okay, hold on.
Chat box credentials same. Username, password same. Just copy that and paste here.
Oh, okay. It's right.
26th line.
Okay.
26th line. Cool. Not here.
Yeah.
26th line.
Oh, 26.
Ignore. Otherwise, I will take care of it. Here, 26th line.
Okay.
Control V. Okay, and last line. Paste here. Hey, 1 minute, Shravan. I'm in training. If possible, please attend same GoToMeeting link. I'm giving Azure training right now. If you are interested, join. I'm a little busy right now. Don't mind. Okay, thank you. Okay, fine. Come to the point. What is this meaning? Get this data, and process this data and show these results. No need anything. Okay, what is that? Val df is equal spark read spark OURL, comma. For example, I want to import EMP. Okay. Now OPROP properties. That's it. Okay. Now simply df.show. Just you are showing this. You do one thing. If you want, just later you can do it. If you want to store this data in Oracle, once again, store this data in Oracle, MySQL, that is, anybody can do it. First of all, are you able to read this data or not? Just read that and show this. Then create a jar. I think you know that how to create a jar. Simple. Hey, 2.44R. Okay, no issue. That's not a problem. 2.4 if you have, that's enough. Minimum. Now, I think this concept I already explained earlier. CMD SBT package. Otherwise, if you don't want, here terminal available. Where is that? Your code. Is it your code?
No, that's a different one. We can close that.
Here, what is that code? This one, now?
Yeah.
What is this code? Sami test. Okay, please note it. Okay, yeah. Sami test. Now here you want to create a jar. At the time, here below you have terminal. Click on this terminal. That is also fine. And here type SBT package. That is also fine. Okay, already you created jar. This is the jar. Okay, now I think you know that WinSCP or putty. Either use WinSCP or something to drag and drop something dependencies. Anybody attended yesterday night? Yesterday night something special section goes. Okay, in that section, same way. Anybody having that Spark submit code? If you have Spark submit code, please paste in the chat box. Referencing purpose. Anybody have any Spark submit code? Otherwise, create Spark submit right now. Spark submit class name. What is the class name here? Simply combination of package. That's good. Thanks, Mani. Okay. But it will take 10 minutes, 20 minutes, why time waste? Okay, SQL dot combination of package dot object name. Submit test. That is called class name. Dot class name. I think you are using here. I recommend next master. I recommend use yarn here. Yarn. One more important thing. Here, if you are mentioning yarn means it is mandatory. Here also you must have yarn. Otherwise, please remove this. This is not any problem. In your local computer, if you want to do it, at the time it is creating problem. But if you want to submit in production environment, first of all, this is no need. So delete that. One more time, create Spark submit. I recommend. SBT package. Okay. Here, always in production environment, use yarn only. Why? At the time, Spark can utilize all resources. Okay. And deploy mode. Deployment mode, it is client only, highly recommendable. Client. Otherwise, cluster also fine. I'm not saying this is wrong. Next, if you have any dependencies, yesterday I already explained. If you have, sound good. What is that dependency? Jars. Jars. Where is that jars located? I think 1 minute. Drivers dot OJDBC7 dot jar. If you are using single jar, that's enough. No need echo. Okay, followed by application jar. What is application jar name? Just a minute. Just a minute. Just a minute. What is the application jar name? Here, target. That's also fine. That's also fine. 1 minute. 1 minute. I will show you. Why all this headache here? Target, scalar 11. This is the jar. Just to copy this. Application jars followed by. This is application jar. Okay, followed by if you want. Here I recommend use the arguments format. Argument 0, argument 1, this concept I already explained earlier. What is this meaning? What table you want to display? You will get that table name. That's it. Simple way. So now after that, I want to call EMP. That is my requirement. I want to show employee table from Oracle. So this is one Spark application. Just submit this. Okay. Now I think is cluster created. Please go to AWS, Azure, and please verify is that cluster created or not. It is okay. How much time? 1 minute. Here, one more time, please check. 10 minutes completed. So anytime is possible to create that cluster. Okay. After creating cluster, 98.9899% same. Nothing. With the help of Putty, please connect. With the help of WinSCP, please copy this job to HD Insights. Then save Spark submit. Please note any environment that is same. That may be either Cloudera, Hortonworks, EMR, Azure, anything. They are not giving anything. Just they will give this cluster details, PPK file, and do your operation. That's it. Here all this code same. Spark submit, etc., etc. Okay, if you want these Spark submit code, I think you have all this code. If you don't mind, ping this in the chat box. Sami, paste in chat box if possible. Okay. And one more thing, AWS, I think within this half an hour, you got one idea. What is the headaches in AWS? Sorry, what is the headaches in Azure? What is the extra advantage in AWS? What you noticed, Swami? AWS per hour just charging 10 rupees. That's not too much. But here you got it 140 rupees. Compared with AWS is too much.
Yeah.
Okay. And also you can create one node also, single node also in AWS. But Azure, no luck. And also AWS, just it will take 2 minutes to maximum 20 minutes, maximum 5 minutes. It not take more than 5 minutes. Maximum, minimum 1 minute, maximum 5 minutes.
Do you have
But
to
here,
all the resources also in Azure,
yes.
or you have to stop
Yes.
everything?
Don't worry, I will guide you. Just to start, terminate this instance, this cluster.
Okay.
That's it. 4 node cluster. That's it.
Oh, okay.
At the time there is no bill. Otherwise, after 200 hours, I think you will get bill. Okay, that's why. Now, please wait. It is mandatory. You must have some patience. Minimum 10 minutes, maximum 20 minutes. I don't know how much time it will take. That is also based on region. Okay. Within this time, if you have code, just a minute. Within this time, anybody don't have code, I will share Spark submit code. And if you don't mind, please share this code also. This is not take more than 5 minutes. This is IntelliJ. 1 minute, only 1 minute. Anything other code required? 1 minute. Scroll up, scroll up, scroll up, scroll up. Nothing. Please paste in chat box. I already copied.
Okay.
Anybody interested to create, just in your IntelliJ, just paste this 10 lines after 14th line. Next, create a jar. This is Oracle jar. And 1 minute. If it is connected, then with the help of WinSCP, Putty you are connecting. Putty and WinSCP you have. Please note, Cloudera, Hortonworks, EMR, or Azure, or any other environment, same ditto. You are not doing anything in your cloud. Just they will give this Putty, they will give this cluster computer. That's it. Using that cluster computer cluster, then only you are doing everything in that Putty. Okay. Congrats, buddy. Finally, after a long time, how many hours? I think 40 minutes. You got it. Okay. Now I recommend click on this dashboards and click on this. Okay. Now click here. You got it. Deployment of something. Okay. Okay. Finally, you got it like this. Where is your cluster? It is. Go to resources. Go to resources. Here you have cluster dashboards. Okay. This is Swami URL. Just now you created, hey, just a minute. Sorry, 1 minute. Oh, sorry, 1 minute. Just a minute. Here, 1 minute. Ambari, okay. 1 minute, only 1 minute, only 1 minute. Getting started. No. Hey, what happened? Just a minute. Just a minute. Click on this. Click on this. Okay, next. Just a minute. Click on this cluster name. Otherwise, give me control. Give me control, please. Don't need that. Take care of it. First of all, go to this one. Okay, here HD insights. You got it. Earlier it is failed. Now you got it. It is working. Please click on Swami POC something name. Okay. Now, if you left hand side, if you scroll down, somewhere you have SSH. Where is that? This is SSH and cluster login. Okay. Now you are using this cluster name. Now what happened? This is your cluster details. If you are using Mac, this is syntax. If you are using Windows Putty at that time, just copy this. How to copy properly? You do one thing. Copy this one. No issue. Copy. You have Putty or WinSCP. Where is WinSCP? WinSCP. WinSCP. Okay. Open WinSCP. Okay. Ignore. No need that upgrade and etc. etc. Now, new site. Here, host name, Control V. Just now you copied and remove this SSH. Starting with the name of SSH you have, please do that. Now, what is the credentials? What is the credentials? ZPASSWORD.1. Okay, no need PPK file. PPK file also okay. Okay, now login. Okay, first time you will get this. That's common. Continue. That's it. This is called remote server. Where your job located? Please copy to that cluster. Do it. I'm not helping you.
The Java.
Hey, where is your jar? Yeah? I don't know your jar. Just a minute. Just a minute. Don't worry. I will help you.
I think it's in C.
Don't worry. Give me control. Okay. Right click here. Right click here. And one more. Yeah, I think you will get some commentary from my kids. Don't mind.
No problem.
Please copy. Here, show in Explorer. Do it if possible. Show in Explorer. Do it.
Okay. Yeah.
Now, drag and drag. How to drag and drag? Just drag. Somewhere you have WinSCP. Okay. Now drag and drop here. That's all. Okay. Similarly, I recommend you have Oracle JDBC connector also. OJDBC job. Okay. Here you do a thing. Do what? Create one more folder. Hey. It is my mistake here. 1 minute. Only 1 minute, please. It is my mistake. Just a minute. So, what is that? HD user. HD user. SSH user.
That's right there below. Go down. Yeah.
That's one. Okay, here you do one thing. In your local computer, you have Oracle JDBC connector. Here, I recommend create one more folder here. Create one more folder called drivers. DRIVERS. Okay, in this drivers, I recommend copy that Oracle drive. Do it. In your local computer, you have somewhere Oracle jar.
Yeah. I think I have them in the C driver. No, not that.
What folder drivers? I said where you are storing. I don't know.
Yeah, I have them in.
As for my big data. Hey, big data. Somewhere you have Oracle JDBC connector. What folder?
Yeah, I have them image.
Big data. 1 minute. I think it is big data. I don't
Is.
know. What should you do? Otherwise, Google it and download. If you don't have Oracle JDBC driver.
No, it's here somewhere. Hold on. It should be here. Yeah, drivers. Yeah. Okay. So which one?
That sounds good. You have Oracle. Drag and drag here. That's it. Okay, sound good. Same way, use Putty. Stop Putty. No need PPK file. Just paste that SSH and give this password. PU. Okay.
Yeah, but it's here. It's here. It's pinned down here. So yeah, try that.
Paste here. 1 minute. 1 minute. Paste here. Control V. I think here you will get SSH space HD user. I think.
Does that
Okay.
change or that is a permanent
Okay,
address?
no need. Use that one and log in. First time it is asking, requesting for password. What is that password? I think that password name.
Yeah, yeah. And can you send me that password, or can I change it at some time?
Okay, sure. I will give you personally. Please ping a hi in WhatsApp. Hi, I'm Swami. At the time I've shared this password.
Yeah, put on my WhatsApp. Yes.
Okay, put I've shared the password. Now what happened? This is called. If you want to change this color, change the setting color, white color, appearance, change 16. Okay. Now please verify. Here you have your application jar, your driver. Yeah, 5 minutes back you already created Spark submit code. Just a minute. Now copy this and paste here. What is this meaning? Your dependencies available here. Your application jar available here. And you want to read. Yes, you'll be. Oh, sorry, slash, please read. That's it. Are you able to read this EMP data? Please verify. Don't worry, you are mentioning Spark submit yarn. That's why you are getting like this, utilizing all resources. If you are mentioned local, just one resource, at the time that's not showing anything. Now that's it. Now get this data and show these results. Please check. Hey, what is this?
I think I've seen it somewhere.
Simple way, display that one. Working, but something wrong. I want to check. First of all, what is this code? The employee property.
Hey, Venu, you last changed that variable, right? But after that, you haven't created the package.
I want to check. Maybe it's working. It's not showing any errors. So it is working. There is no any problem. Hey, wait. It is working. Please check. Here somewhere just now I checked. Yes, you got it here. Okay, you are not observing carefully. Okay, but you got it. Do one thing. I want to store this data somewhere. Okay, then df dot write dot format. I want to write in the form of CSV. Header. Okay. Sorry. Okay. Say I want to store this data somewhere. Okay, for example, ARGS format 1. Okay, do one thing. I want to store this data somewhere. That may be anywhere, local files or some or S3. If you want to store this data in your once again, I want to store this data in Oracle also. You can. That's not a problem. Okay, same ditto. First of all, is it working or not? As of now, clear. Sami, Rajshekhar. As of now, clear? Is it working or not? It's working. But
Yes.
this is logger. You are getting many unnecessary stupid loggers. That's why it is showing like this. But don't worry. It's not creating any new problem. That is logger info. You can change that logger with the help of log4j. In future, I will guide you that concept also. First of all, this code, is it working or not? Clear?
Mm-hmm.
Shaker, Sami, especially all my old students.
Yeah.
Any differences you have noticed? Have you noticed? Surender? 90% same, nothing. Here, instead of PPK file, you are using credentials, Oracle credentials, username, password. Of course, if you want to PPK file also, you can. That's not a big deal. That's not a problem. But this is easy way, recommendable way. Okay, you are doing like this, and automate it, everything, Spark, submit, etc. Okay, as of now, clear?
Mm-hmm.
Hello?
Yes.
Okay, you do one thing and one more thing. After practice this one, don't forget to terminate. If you forget to terminate, you will get huge amount of bill, and some rare cases without your permission also they will direct your money. That's why after practice this one, okay, after practice this one, please terminate this cluster. How to terminate, I will guide you. Here somewhere you have cluster overview. Here delete. Earlier also you got it, but the left hand side you forgot this. Click on this delete. If you click delete, then what happened? Automatically it is terminated. Okay. Can you share this recording, Venu sir? I don't know. In case if you are my old students, I will share my old group. Old students group. If you are not my old students group or anyone new members join, please ping me your email ID in the chat box. I will share. It's easy. Azure, AWS. Do one thing. Next weekend, I will guide you Cloudera. By next weekend, Hortonworks. By next weekend, Google Cloud. At the time, you will get the idea. 99.9% any OS same ditto. Just use putty, drag and drop that job, submit this job. That's it. Simple. Okay. That's it today's section. And yesterday night also I took same section, I think. Anybody attended yesterday? Not sure. My evening batch students attended, I think. 4 to 5 members. Okay, that's it today's section. I will share this recording video also. Please practice. After that, how to terminate. That is also I will guide you. Click on this delete. Delete. What is the cluster you want to delete? I think here deleting pause here. Take this type cluster name.
अच्छा लगेगा
Venu, how you are sharing the recording videos?
Usually, I think Devinar, you are my own student only. I think 1 minute. Stop this recording.